It's mail time, it's mail time, I said it's mail time, it's mail time, I'm getting the mail. Mail time, mail time, it's mail time, it's mail time. Hope I got something good. I hope oh, wait, I see something. Oh yeah, mail! I got mail! Yippee!
Hi everyone. Yes, this is Willy the Going Viking. Yes. And today I have got Mel. Yes, Mel. And this is from Nature Hunter. Nature Hunter Coins. She has a channel, and the other day she had an auction. Now I was lucky enough to catch it, and oh my goodness, she had some real nice stuff. So if you guys ever want to check out her channel, please go over there. I'll have a link in the description for her, and make sure that you subscribe to her. She's just awesome, awesome. Okay, this is what I got. I want to be opening it pretty soon. Okay. All right. So let's see what's in this. Okay. Trust me, it's awesome coins, real awesome. Okay, let's open this thing up. Okay. Can you guys just leave? Go on, get out of here. Go on. Yeah. Get out of here. Oh, but they just like Nature Hunter. I don't blame them, but she's an awesome person. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Wow, look at all this. Gee whiz. Okay. Here we go. Okay, look at all this, everyone. Oh my goodness. I gotta dump it all out first. Awesome, awesome. Okay, this is what I got. Here, I'll show you, Katia. Look at all that. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Okay, let's start with the first coin I got here. It's a 1967 40%er. Awesome. And a 1998 NIFC. Awesome. And another 1967. Oh my goodness, nice shape. 40%er. And here's a 1964 90%er. Awesome. And another 1964. Awesome. Oh, plus I gotta give a big old shout out to Bigflip. He showed up during the time of her auction, and he was so generous to everyone that was there. Awesome guy, real nice. That he won the bids on some of these auctions, and he gave what he won to everyone that was in the chat. It was he was just awesome. I did not expect that, and of course it's very appreciated. And of course he said, just make sure you guys pay it forward. I will for sure do that. Bigflip, thank you. And what I got from him was a 1964 and a 1967 40%. Awesome. Thank you, Bigflip. And I got a 1968 40%er. And here's a Franklin 1952. Awesome. And here's another Franklin 1951. And another Franklin 1961. Awesome. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. Thank you, Nature Hunter, for those coins. And another Franklin 1963. I got these because I ordered some books, those Dansko books. I want to fill them up with these coins, and I knew this would make a good start to them. And a 1968, nice. And a 1943 Walking Liberty. Ain't that pretty? My goodness. And it's it's from Denver. Oh man, that's what I was hoping for. It was from different mint marks. And another 1967, 40%. And another Walking Liberty, 1943. And it's Denver Mint too. And I got another Walking Liberty, 1942. Wow. And I don't see a mint mark on this one. Awesome. And plus, I got this another 1967. It's got some toning to that. It looks real nice. Real nice. And I got 5 silver dimes. Most of them, I think they're all Roosevelt. Awesome. Wow. Thank you. This was, I sure appreciate Nature Hunter. I mean, these are awesome coins. I'm glad I won the bids on them. And I guess that's it, guys. Really, check out the description. Go to her channel and check her out, okay? She's just awesome. She loves going to places and stuff like that around where she lives. And she does some awesome videos. And I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I really do appreciate that. And thank you for smashing that like button for me. I really appreciate that too. And I guess I'll see you guys all later.